rice is good for you. Watching for sugar. This rice is low sugar than the white rice. This is crackers that it's good for you. This crackers is gluten free. So I need one of this ginger. It's good for the chicken adobo. Guys, I need my mangoes to get my ingredients. Got my ingredients and I'm gonna be cooking when I got home. Heading to the lake. There's a lot of people fishing. I have a big stop sign before I cross the road. It's huge chicken barn. Guys, our road over here, there's a caution sign before the stop sign ahead. Make sure that you have to be alert because ahead of you there's a stop sign right there. So to avoid the accident, because this is a poor crossing road. That's a horse fence out there. If you have a horse, come to my channel. And today I have my apron with me to focus on cooking. Guys, my apron, I ordered this through Walmart store, and my hairnet, it's gonna coming out. I ordered that through Amazon online. Guys, please subscribe my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and follow my social media also, and don't forget that the subscribe button right here and the notification right there, and also my social media is right here. Guys, I really appreciated it. And today, since it's a Mother's Day, I'm gonna cook for a meal for chicken and pecan mango dessert. Guys, if you are not a creator, please to be a creator. It makes a challenge on us, and the YouTube, they're always there for us, and the Google. So guys, and don't give up, we can do it. Here you go.
This is my chicken. I'm gonna. It's ice right now, so I'm gonna put some water on it to get it melt. And we bought 40 pounds of chicken breast. Then we pay 60 bucks, so we put it's 2 chicken breasts we put in a Ziploc bag, the freezer's Ziploc bag, and we can save money for doing this. And every time that we cook, we just grab 1 Ziploc bag and 2 chicken breasts for both of us. I'm gonna let it sit until it's melted, the ice on it.
Guys, I'm gonna cooking my chicken.
Guys, I'm gonna clean my chicken and I'm gonna get this fat out of it.
Guys, I'm gonna cut the fat from it. I don't want to get this fat. Okay guys, the fat is gone. Guys, I'm gonna cut this one a bite cut.
Guys, I'm going to marinate my chicken at 1 tablespoon of dry oregano. I have 1/3 cup of soy sauce, Kikkoman soy sauce. I have a half teaspoon of minced garlic. And I have 1 teaspoon of paprika. I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So guys, I have those for marinate for 15 minutes, but I'm gonna mix it together. So all of those ingredients for the marinate, it's marinate for 15 to 20 minutes.
So I'm going to mix this together. And I have to set this aside. Then while I'm preparing my other stuff, my other ingredients. Smells good. Guys, I have 4 cuts of ginger. So I'm gonna slice this one in half. And I'm gonna put this one like that. Smells good. Then I'm gonna slice my onions. And put it aside my onions. And I'm gonna smash my I have 2, 4, 6, 8 cloves of garlic. So guys, I have my banana pepper from my garden last year. So I put this in the presser bag, and I'm gonna use it. I have 4 of them. This is a sweet banana pepper. So if you want some spicy, a little bit like a bite spicy, you can put banana regular pepper, that's hot one, or the jalapeno. Guys, since I don't have a hot banana pepper, so I'll use the one jalapeno. I don't want to cut an iha because it's gonna be hot, so I just cut the end of it. Here are my ingredients. So this one is sweet banana pepper, and since I don't have a hot banana pepper, I'll use the one of jalapeno. And I had 3 bay leaves, dry, and half teaspoon of whole black pepper, and half teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 1/4 of salt celery, and onions. I have garlic, and I have ginger. So I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna heat my pot. I'm gonna put oil on my pan. It's 1 tablespoon. So I'm gonna cook my garlic.
until it's brown. And my ginger. So I have to wait for 1 minute. Covered it. And I'm gonna put my marinated chicken. Start it. Covered up. I have 4 cups of water. I'm gonna pour this in there. So it's only it consume only 2 cups. It's already full, so a half. So it's only 2 cups to consume the water. And we let it's boiled until it's tender. Guys, I'm gonna put my Italian seasoning because it's boiling, and my whole black pepper and my celery salt. Banana paper. Bay leaves, 3 of them. My 1 jalapeno. And let it boil until it's tender. Guys, it's boiling right now. We have to wait until the water is slowly getting lower and tender. Then we can turn the heater to medium. Guys, I'm gonna put oil on it a little bit to teaspoon. Let them boil for 2 minutes. So it's perfect. It's tender and has a little bit water left. And it's right here. This is my chicken adobo. It's perfect. I'm gonna get my chicken adobo. It's right here.
Before we begin, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell.
It's tender and cooked right. And guys, I'm gonna peel my mango. Guys, I'm gonna slice this one. So I'm gonna slice my mango in one slice. I'm gonna put that in I slice in a straight slice, straight cut. Here's my sliced mango. So I'm gonna get another ingredients. Guys, I have my pecan nuts. So I'm gonna put this in my Ziploc bag and guys, this is my ingredients. A half cup of condensed milk and my pecan, 1 cup of pecan nuts, and I have 2 Nestle cream cans, and I'll use these crackers. It's gluten free and it's low sugar because we are watching our sugar and the carbs, and this one is good for you, and these crackers. So here you go guys, I'm gonna mix it together, my ingredients. I'm gonna shake it. Shake it again. Then I'm gonna show you the step by step. At least you guys can see what I am doing. And then I'm gonna put my
half cup of condensed milk. I'm gonna mix this together. Then I'm gonna wing it to mix all together ingredients. Okay, it's mixed. So I'm gonna put my I'm gonna put this aside over there, and I'm gonna put my crackers. My crackers is gluten free, so the person who's watching their sugar, they can eat these crackers, and they can eat this pecan mango dessert. You have to line it up. Because I don't like too much sweet, so that's why I'll use the half cup of condensed milk, the half cup of condensed milk, and the half can. Here's the first layer of crackers. So I'm gonna put my cream. So guys, my first layer is over here. So okay, so I'm gonna put my mango. I'm gonna put my cream. This one is easy way to do it. Here's my second layers of pecan mango dessert. Put some mango on there, like that.
So this is my last layer, so I'm gonna put my cream. And spread them up. Then I'm gonna put my pecan. These are my pecan mango dessert done. And it's right here. This is no big. So you just put this in the refrigerator for overnight. Got this one.
Got tuberculosis when he was 2. Doctor said he'd die if he didn't have the
Got this.
I don't know. I guess I just wanted you to know that it's stubborn. That's all.
Oh wow, this is nice. This is yummy. I got my pecan mango dessert right there. I'm gonna eat this one.
Formed a band that would eventually be called Deuce Newton and Silver Spur, which was signed to RCA Records. They won charting country single with Love Is a Word. The band was dropped by RCA, then joined Capitol Records in 1977. The band disbanded shortly after releasing just one more album. Then it was in late 1977, Newton went solo, continuing to record for Capitol. And until 1982,
It's
Silver
perfect.
Spur
It's not
remained the name
sweet.
of their backing band.
Now, guys, I'm done cooking. So I'm gonna be going to my garden to plant my vegetables because it's about time to plant my vegetables. And see you guys. Guys, keep in watching. I'm going to my garden. After cooking, I'm going to my garden because it's about time to plant my vegetables. I'm gonna check on my vegetables to plants in my garden.
Oh no, what's wrong my bitter melon? I seeds my bitter melon for 12 days and it's growing like this. And now, oh my, bird. I'm gonna blame for the birds for this. They're eating. Bird, they are big ang noise because of they are eating my plants. Oh my. Oh my. There's my plants. Oh no. My asparagus, it's gone. Oh my. My asparagus, they don't have any left. The bird eat it. Oh my, look at that. Really, really, bird? Oh my gosh. Oh no, they're eating my asparagus. So I lose 9, 10, 11, 12 plants. Oh no. That's too bad. I'm glad that tomato didn't eat it. But why they like the asparagus? It's only they eat the asparagus than the green pepper and the red pepper, and there's a bunch over here, but why they don't eat it? There's a bigger one, but why they don't eat those things? Only my asparagus. My asparagus is $3 each plant. Oh no. Oh no. I feel shocked. I wanna cry. But I don't get a chance. I don't have a choice. My choice is I need to buy another more. I need to buy more, but my bitter melon that I've been seed this for 12 days, it's gone. Not good. Guys, pick up some asparagus that bird eat it. I don't know why they eat my asparagus and the rest of them is not. Asparagus is sweet. I'm on my way to go to store.
I'm glad that I have a selfie stick because at least it helped me to do something. With if you are filming or doing the videos by yourself, it's not easy. Okay guys.
Guys, I'm looking for asparagus here. It be have some because I'm gonna replace my asparagus that bird ate it. Looking for asparagus. It's very in tomato. Banana pepper. Asparagus. Oh, it's right here. I need to get some because mine is bird eat it. Asparagus. This one is asparagus. It's right there. I don't want that. Bird eat my asparagus. This one I think I have enough. They're coming back every year. So the money it's worth it to buy because you don't lose it. Look at my asparagus. Guys, I replaced my asparagus that bird ate. And right here, but I hope the bird eating, it's growing back up. So at least I have the bigger one, just in case. I'm on my way to my garden, trying to plant it because it's gonna be raining tomorrow. No, I'm not jealous at all. What is it? My engineering? Bird.